Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Grandland. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can enable cruise control, speed limiter, and we can activate them. Thanks to this button we can change the speed. And thanks to memory button we can save the speed or reset it. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio station, radio source, we can mute radio or change radio volume. We can also answer and calls and activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.